Project Playground is a software company that uses data to improve social and emotional learning in K through 12 education. Social and emotional learning is a broad skill set that involves how people manage their emotions, how students communicate, how we show empathy towards one another, how we problem solve, how we set goals, how we sustain attention. The software is created for K through 12 educators. So this can mean in your standard K through 12 education classroom, or it can be an after-school setting like the tech shop. Our tool gives educators information about the social and emotional skills that allow students to collaborate and also help measure the daily classroom climate. Through student reflection, students become aware of the critical behaviors that impact a productive group or a classroom.
And one of the things that Project Playground does for us is it makes it fun, it's quick, it's engaging, and then I have the data afterwards to look and see how the students are responding to the projects and to working as a team.
Project Playground has been really useful in terms of getting into the students' heads and seeing what they think about the program so that the teacher can then sort of pivot and make sure that the programs are successful based on the experiences that students are having.
Social and emotional learning, particularly collaboration, which we've chosen to focus on, is a skill that every student is going to need when they enter the world of work. So from a career readiness standpoint, this is preparing students at a really early age about the expectations of the real world.
The software also gives feedback on ways to address some of the areas where it shows that there's a need.
So it's a really nice way to have students reflect on the previous session and plan for the current session, and then also to reflect on what challenges they overcame throughout the 2-hour program, any difficulties they had with other students, and then it also gives the teacher a nice sort of qualitative rubric to look at whenever she's determining what lesson plan to use for the next session.
I find that the software is beneficial for the students in that they are using that vocabulary. They are able to think more about the people in their group. So I think it makes them a little more open and responsive to each other.
What will make an impact is those teachers who take those learning moments, who take the data and run with it, who really decide to implement the tools that we give them, who really want to infuse this social emotional learning into their daily classrooms, into their daily routines, into their daily conversations. This is preparing students at a really early age about the expectations of the real world.